So, we will solve the next problem. So, problem number 2, that is in the assignment part. A straight line PQ is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and has PQ is equal to 40 mm and P dash Q dash is equal to 50 mm. The end P is both in HP and VP and 30 mm to the left of right profile plane. Next line, draw the projections and find the true length and true inclinations with HP. Draw the profile view of the straight line. Now, in this the given datas, the line is inclined at 30 degrees to VP, that means phi is given 30 degree. Then they told that the PQ means the top view length is given, it is 40 mm and P dash Q dash equal to 50 mm, that is the front view. The end P is in both HP and VP. End P is both HP and VP and 30 mm left of RPP. Left of RPP. So, first you draw the XY line, XY. So, RPP is required, right profile plane, they mentioned about it. So, draw the X1, Y1 also. So, this is VP, HP, RPP. Now, the point P is both on HP and VP. If the point is both on HP and VP means it is on the XY line and it is 30 mm to the left of right profile plane. So, this is the right profile plane, to the left of that 30 mm. So, from this origin you have to measure a distance of 30 mm here on the XY line. So, this distance is 30 mm and mark this point. So, this is the point P. So, we can call this as P dash here and P here. So, both top view and front view coincides. And they are given the top view and front view length. Now, if you refer back to the first class, in that whenever the front view and top view lengths are given, angles are not given, we can start with a horizontal line. That is, if A dash B dash length is given, so we cannot draw that line, but instead of that we can draw A dash B2 dash, because we are going to draw the arc means equal length. So, use the same principle here. So, instead of drawing the front view P dash Q dash 50 mm, I cannot draw P dash Q dash because angle is not given, but I can draw a horizontal line. What is that? P dash Q2 dash, and its length, it is a horizontal line. So, it is on the XY line itself and the length is 50 mm. So, I will call this as Q2 dash, length is 50 mm. Similarly, I can draw PQ is 40, that is top view is 40. So, angle is not given, but I can draw one more line, that is PQ1, the length is 40. So, from here you measure 40 mm and mark point and you write it as Q1. So, Q1 you have to write it below the line, Q2 will be above because Q1 is in HP. Now, the phi is given. Phi means what? Inclination with respect to VP, that is the true length inclination in the HP here. So, this is phi. So, from here you draw a line at an angle equal to phi. So, this angle will be 30 degree. Then after that we do not know where is the Q2. So, for that already Q2 dash is here. So, project this line below and obtain the point Q2, because Q2 and Q2 dash should be in one line. So, now this is the true length. Now you draw the locus of Q, locus of Q. Then from here you take the compass and with P as center, PQ1 as radius, draw the arc. So you will get Q and join PQ. So this is the top view, PQ. How it is obtained? P as center, radius equal to PQ1, draw the arc, so that it will cut the locus. Now both true length and top views are over. Now you have to obtain the front view. So already we have located Q. So where will be the Q dash? So Q dash will be in the same line. So just project a line. On this line you have to get Q dash. How it will be obtained? Take the compass and center P dash, radius equal to P dash Q2 dash. You recall back the first figure. A dash, B2 dash, we are going to project it, so we are going to get B dash. Same principle, P dash as center, P dash Q2 dash as radius. From here you draw a arc like this. So it will cut this line. So that line itself will be the Q dash, because this is Q. On the same line you are going to get Q2 dash. Now draw the locus and join P dash Q dash with the dark line. Already Q1 is here, so we have to get Q1 dash. How? Just project it to the locus here. So this point is Q1 dash and join it to P dash like this. So that will give you the complete solution, and you have to measure the true length. You have to measure the length of P dash Q1 dash. How much? So you have to give the answer. True length is equal to, you have to measure this P dash Q1 dash or P Q2, both will be equal. So that is equal to so many millimeters. And you have to dimension all these. 30 degree already marked. You have to mark the PQ is given. What is this distance? You have to mark it. So while drawing the arrow, you take care that the arrowheads will touch the line. So top view PQ is 40 mm. So 40 should be vertical. Similarly, the front view P dash Q dash. Draw a light line perpendicular to this. From here also one light line like this. Then a line parallel to this line and arrowheads at both ends. The arrowhead has touch here, then split at the middle and give the number. What is the front view? It is 50 mm. So this is the solution. Then also they asked to draw you the profile view. So for that, draw a 45 degree line. Project the top view, that is Q is here, project it up, Q dash is here in this line. Now this point becomes Q double dash. Then the P and P double dash, P dash both are here only, that is why the P double dash will be this particular point, that is origin, and join it by a line like this. So this is the profile view, P double dash, Q double dash. So this is the solution for the problem number 2, second problem. Then we will move for the next problem. Problem number 3. The top view of a line PQ 80 mm long measures 60. The end P is 40 mm in front of VP and is on HP. So, I will repeat once again. The top view of a line PQ 80 mm long measures 60 mm. The end P is 40 mm in front of VP and is on HP. The end Q is 15 mm in front of VP and above HP. They are not given how much above HP. 15 mm in front of VP and above HP. Draw the projections of the line and find its true inclinations with VP and HP. Find the length of the front view and the distance between the end projectors. Find the length of the front view and distance between the end projectors. First, note down the given data. True length is given, that is P dash Q1 dash equal to P Q2 equal to 80 mm. Top view measures, that is PQ is equal to 60 mm. Then they are given regarding the location of P. It is 40 mm in front of VP and on HP. Then and Q is 15 mm in front of VP and above HP. Above HP. So, first you draw the XY line. VPHP. Now, you have to locate the point P. Point P. Point P is 40 mm in front of VP and on HP. Point P is on HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So, this distance is 40. So, this is P dash and this is P. There is one information. The end Q is 15 mm in front of VP. That means from here you have to draw one more line, light line like this, and this distance is 15. So, on this line the Q should be there, that becomes the locus of Q, and it is above HP. Above HP they are not given any distances, they are not mentioned. So, this is the information given. Now, coming to here, the top view length is given, that means length of PQ is given 60 mm. We know that the point P is here, and where should be Q? Q should be in this line. So, take the compass and radius equal to 60 mm with P as center, cut this. So, this point becomes point Q. Then join it by a line. So, this is the top view. PQ, PQ. Then true length is given, PQ2 is 80 mm. So, take 80 mm radius with P as center, cut this locus, because this is the locus of Q. So, take the radius equal to 80. So, PQ2 is 80. So, P as the center, radius equal to 80, cut this locus. So, this becomes Q2. So, join PQ2. Then you locate the point Q1 also. How? Draw a horizontal line, and from P as center, PQ as radius, draw this arc. So, you are going to get a point here. This is Q1. Now, we have to get the front view. So, top view part is complete. So, if you measure this angle, this will be phi. Now, we have to locate the Q1 dash. Where is Q1 dash? Q1 is here. So, project it above and take the radius of 80 mm with P dash as center, radius equal to 80, cut this line, and this point will be Q1 dash. So, join this. Join this by a straight line like this. So, this is P dash, Q1 dash. Now, here you draw the locus. This is locus of Q. Already Q is here. So, we have to locate Q dash. So, just project it up to the locus and call this as Q dash, and join P dash Q dash by a dark line. Then project this and call this as Q2 dash. So, already line will be here. So, this is the projection, and you have to answer the questions what they asked. Find the length of the front view. That means you have to measure this. What is the length of the front view? So, front view length is, that is P dash Q dash is equal to so many millimeters. You have to give the answer. And distance between the projectors. Distance between projector means this is one projector, line connecting P dash, this is one projector. Then line connecting Q dash and Q. So, what is this distance? From here up to this point. What is this distance? So, you have to measure it and you have to give the answer. The distance between the projectors is so many millimeters. You have to give the answer. So, this is the solution for the problem number 3 in the question bank, the third problem in the question bank. Now, we will go for the next problem, fourth problem. So, the next problem is the distance between the end projectors of a straight line CD is 0 with its top view and front view measuring 40 mm and 60 mm respectively. So, listen it properly. Once again, the distance between the end projectors of a straight line CD is 0 with its top view and front view measuring 40 mm and 60 mm respectively. The one end of the line is 10 mm above HP and the other end is 35 mm in front of VP. One end is 10 mm above HP and the other end is 35 millimeter in front of VP. Draw the projections of line, find the true length and true inclinations, find the position of the other end with respect to VP and HP, with respect to VP and HP. Now, here the distance between the end projectors is 0. What is the meaning of end projector? If this is A dash and B dash and this is A and B. So, this distance is called as end projector. Now, if this is 0 means what? 0 means the line will be like this. This is A, this is B, this is like that, front view and top view, it will be, but that is the meaning. So, that is what you should know. Whenever the distance between end projectors is 0 means it is perpendicular to the XY line. So, distance is given, top view, that is CD is equal to 40, front view C dash D dash is equal to 60. One end is 10 mm above HP, other end is 35 mm in front of VP. So, this is the information given. Now, to start with, one end is 10 mm above HP. So, from here I will mark a point, the distance is 10 mm and I will draw a line. This is the front view, length equal to 60 mm and I will call this as C dash and D dash. Then I will project it down. From here I will measure a distance of 35 mm, this is 35 and I will call this as the other end, because C is 10 mm above means this becomes D. From here the top view length is given, from this point you measure a distance of 40 mm and call this as C. So, this is the front view and top view. Now, if the line is inclined like this, that is inclined to both VP and HP, so that it is held in a position where it looks like a line in this condition, where the end projectors are aligned, that means the distance between end projectors are 0. So, front view looks like this and top view also it looks like this. So, actual it is positioned here. So, this is the actual position of the line, so which can be observed only in the profile view. Now, for this, if you draw the profile view, draw the 45-degree line and project these 2 points C and D and project it here. Then project horizontally. Like this, then start from C. C is here. Where is C dash? So, this becomes C double dash. Then start with the D. So, D is following this line and D dash is here. So, intersection of this is D double dash. Now, if you join this, this will give you the true length. The profile view, you are going to get the true length. You have to measure this and you can answer the questions, draw the projections find the true length and true inclinations. So, here you can measure the true length. So, this length will be the true length, and this is the inclination with respect to HP, this is the inclination with respect to VP, that is, this becomes phi, this becomes theta. You can measure it. Find the position of the other end with respect to VP and HP. So, here with respect to HP, how much other end? So, here you have to find. With respect to VP, how much? This distance you have to find from here. So, above HP, the C is 10 mm above HP. So, how much in front of VP? You have to measure this from here to here. This will give you the VP distance. Similarly, D is 35 mm in front of VP, D 35 mm in front of VP. Then how much above HP? So, you have to measure this distance. This distance, if you measure it, how much above HP, the D, that you are going to get it. So, if you give the answer, so that will be the solution for this. Now, this can be solved in the other method also by using the regular method. So, this is the simple method where directly if you go for the profile view, you are going to get the solution, or else the previous methods what you have solved, you try with that also. That is, this is the front view and top view, how to get the true length by keeping one of the point constant and rotating it and getting D dash is here. So, C dash is here. So, you call this as A dash and B dash. Similarly, you have to get D1 dash, then D1, then D2, then D1. Like that you have to obtain all the views here, just rotate the lines and you try with that method also. So, this is the simpler method. So, you can get all the solution for this. So, this is the problem number 4, fourth problem. Now, we will go for the next problem, fifth problem. A straight line PQ 70 mm long has its end P in VP and end Q in HP. PQ 70 mm long has its end P in VP and Q in HP. The line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 60 degrees to VP. Draw its front view, top view and profile view. Now, here the true length is given, theta is given, phi is given, and they told that the end is in VP and the other end is in HP. So, this problem is very similar to that problem number 1, which already I have solved it in the assignment. In the problem number 1, the PQ 100 mm long inclined at 45 to HP, 30 to VP, end P in HP and Q in VP. So, similar problem, only the change is the dimensions. So, that is why I am not going to solve it on the board. You have to solve it in the assignment, follow the same procedure what you have followed with the problem number 1 and solve it yourself in the grid sheet for the submissions. So, there is no change in the procedure, same procedure of the problem number 1. So, that is how you can solve the problem. For you have to solve this, not simply listening, you have to solve this problem on the grid sheet and you have to submit.